What? Okay!
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Logan County in south-central Kentucky, Butler County in south-central Kentucky, northwestern Warren County in south-central Kentucky, southeastern Ohio County in central Kentucky, west central Edmonson County in south-central Kentucky, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Denver, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Russellville, Morgantown, Anderson, Auburn, Lewisburg, Rochester, Woodbury, Eansco, Mining City, and Dimple. Damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
There was a big delay on that attention signal.
It was, wasn't it?
The best